Hello, my planner friends. I'm so excited and so happy to share with you guys the 5 ways that I like to use my Erin Condren planner. These ways help me stay organized and just make my planner look so beautiful. So I hope they help you too. The first one is the monthly view. So I love decorating the monthly view. That is the part of the planner that you see the most, and the part that will just show you what's going to happen throughout the entire month. And I love personalizing my monthly view. I love how the monthly view comes in the Erin Condren planner, but I love just adding a little bit of more spice and just a little bit more of me. So by adding scrapbook paper and stickers, that helps make it more you. And I just adore these stickers from the Erin Condren collection. These were one of the stickers that they gave to me during the brunch, and I just add those everywhere. And then I also am going to be using these beautiful stickers from my friend Belinda's shop, planwithbelinda.com. I'll leave that down below with a discount code. Use Jessica10 for 10% off. And I'm going to use these bill due stickers all over my monthly view, because if I just put them in my weekly view, I might miss it. So having that in my monthly view keeps me organized and makes sure that I pay those bills on time. I also love writing special occasions down in my monthly view, like this one, a wedding that I went to. Also, if I had an important video that I had to post. And I also love using this little sidebar in the monthly view to write down any important goals that I have for that month. That way, when I'm looking at my monthly view, I can see exactly what goals I had in mind to accomplish that month. And by writing it down, it makes it more sure that you will complete that goal that month. I also love writing other special occasions that happen throughout the month, like a barbecue or any type of birthdays for that month. I love writing it down so that I don't forget, and also so that I can send them a happy birthday note. And then also here I wrote down that I put an offer in another house. So wish me luck, guys. Keep your fingers crossed. Send the good vibes this way. I hope to hear back from them soon. But yeah, other than that, I just decorated with other cute stickers, and that's the monthly view. The weekly view is super important. I love decorating it and just filling it out. Something about it being super filled out just makes it look so pretty. And again, I'm going back into those stickers from the Plan with Belinda shop, and I'm applying them all over the weekly view. And guys, you can totally decorate more than one weekly view with her stickers. She's so generous. She provides so many stickers, you can totally use them for more than 1 week, which is awesome. So I just place them all over, but I make sure that I have enough space to write down any type of personal things and work-related things for my weekly view. I love using these stickers here to write down what needs to get done that day. And as the week goes on, I definitely fill them out, but I just wrote in things that I know will get done that day. And then I love using this sidebar to write down my workouts throughout the week. And then I also put down these hydrate stickers for each day. So the weekly view definitely keeps me on my toes, because I know I need to write down my workouts. I know I need to drink the 8 cups of water a day. So that's how I keep track of that. And that is our weekly view. Another way I use my Erin Condren planner is by making my own dashboard or using a dashboard. This one here is from the Erin Condren website. You just pop it right in and it stays in place, and these are so beautiful. I love these sticky notes. But if you don't want to splurge, you can also make your own and definitely use the sticky notes that you want to use. So it's super easy. You just measure it up to your planner, cut it out, and then you can use one of those little tabs to insert your dashboard into your planner. And this one here is from Erin Condren. And what's so great about making your own dashboard is that you get to pick out the scrapbook paper to use, and you also get to put your own sticky notes. So I definitely went with more summer sticky notes to put on here. I think they looked really good against the pineapples. And using sticky notes will definitely keep you organized. You can jot down a quick note and stick it on your desk or on your laptop to remember to do something later. But I also love using them in my planner. So when I don't have a specific date that I need to do something, I just stick it on my monthly view, and then when it gets done, I just take the sticky note right off and you don't have to scribble it off. Moving on to how I store things, I love using this pocket folder that comes already in my Erin Condren planner. I just add in any extra stickers that I want to use throughout my weekly view. I put in a thank you note just in case you need it throughout the week or the month. It's already there and it's super handy. And then I just add in one sheet of fun stickers. And the last way I use my Erin Condren planner is by using the notes section. And this section is where I write down my video ideas, photo ideas, and it's so handy to have it in my planner because I know I'm going to have the planner with me at all times. So when I think of an idea, I can just write it in my planner and look back at it when it's time to film or when it's time to take pictures. And those are the ways that I use my Erin Condren planner. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!